equals trustworthy technology. We're diving into some really modern AI concepts. First question, explain how you would implement edge AI solutions with cloud integration, like having smart devices that can think locally but also connect to a powerful brain in the cloud when needed. Edge AI architecture includes model optimization, compress models for edge devices, hybrid processing, local plus cloud computation, offline capability, work without internet, data sync, send important data to cloud, remote updates, update edge models wirelessly, battery optimization, efficient power usage. The tip section says, edge AI equals fast plus private plus connected. Second question, how do you approach prompt engineering and fine-tuning for large language models? Like training a smart assistant to understand exactly what you want and respond perfectly. The prompt engineering process includes clear instructions, be specific about what you want. Few-shot examples, show good examples. Prompt templates, reusable patterns. Iterative testing, try different approaches. Fine-tuning strategy, customize for specific tasks. Quality evaluation, measure response quality. The tip reminds us, good prompts equals better results. Let's explore transparency and automation in AI. First question, design a system for handling AI model interpretability and regulatory compliance, like creating a transparent glass house where everyone can see exactly how decisions are made. The interpretability system includes model documentation, clear explanations of how models work. Feature importance, show which inputs matter most. Decision paths, trace how conclusions are reached. Audit trails, log all decisions and reasoning. Compliance checks, ensure regulatory requirements. Human review, expert validation of critical decisions. The tip section states, interpretable AI equals trustworthy decisions. Second question, explain your strategy for implementing AutoML solutions in enterprise environments, like having a smart cooking assistant that can automatically create perfect recipes based on available ingredients. The AutoML strategy includes problem definition, clearly define business objectives. Data preparation, automated cleaning and feature engineering. Model selection, try multiple algorithms automatically. Hyperparameter tuning, optimize settings automatically. Human oversight, keep experts in the loop. Deployment pipeline, streamlined model deployment. The tip reminds us, AutoML equals faster time to value. Finally, let's wrap up with critical decision-making systems. First question, how would you architect a system for AI-powered decision support in critical applications? Like building a smart co-pilot system for airplane pilots, helpful suggestions but human always in control. Decision support architecture includes real-time data integration, current and historical information, multi-model ensemble, multiple AI perspectives, confidence scoring, how sure is the AI, human in the loop, expert review for critical decisions, explanation engine, why this recommendation, fallback systems, what if AI fails? The tip section says, AI assists equals humans decide. Second question, design a comprehensive AI governance and ethics framework for a large organization, like creating constitution and laws for a country, clear rules that everyone follows for the common good. The governance framework includes ethics committee, cross-functional oversight board, AI principles, core values and guidelines, risk assessment, evaluate potential harms, approval processes, gates for high-risk AI projects, training programs, educate all employees, regular audits, check compliance and effectiveness. The final tip reminds us, strong governance equals responsible AI future. And that wraps up our incredible journey through advanced machine learning engineering concepts. You've just learned about the most important topics that top ML engineers discuss in interviews and implement in real-world systems. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. You've got this. Retry. Claude can make mistakes. Please double-check responses. Let's explore some cutting-edge concepts. First question, how do you implement online learning in production? Like a student who keeps learning from every new experience while taking the exam. Implementation steps are streaming data, continuous data ingestion, incremental updates, update model without full retrain, validation checks, ensure new data quality, gradual deployment, roll out updates carefully, performance monitoring, watch for degradation, rollback mechanism, quick recovery if needed. The tips section says, online learning equals continuous improvement. Second question, explain how to implement proper data governance for ML projects. Think of it as library management where every book or data has rules about who can read it and how. The governance framework includes data catalog, inventory of all data assets, access controls, who can see what data, quality standards, rules for data accuracy, lineage tracking, know data's journey, compliance checks, follow legal requirements, audit trails, track all data usage. The tip reminds us, good governance equals trustworthy AI.